name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I don't know what y'all talking about. Where I live, they don't talk a lot. I don't know what I be talking about. Hoes say I don't talk a lot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. I currently live in South Korea, so therefore I'm filming this video while you are sleeping because it is Friday afternoon, early afternoon. It's like 12:30 in Korea, but it's definitely like 9:30, 10 o'clock in Chicago, something like that right now. So you're either in bed or asleep. Like, it's early though, but you know. Today's Friday, and on my channel every Friday I film, unless like I'm sick or something, I film what I call face chart Fridays. That is where I take a face chart, whether I pick it myself, someone picks it for me, I get sent one, Instagram, I do a poll and it wins. This one was sent to me, and it was sent to me because of the colors, or color, the scheme, because it's basically a monochrome look. The colors that were used, I tend to use these shades, this shade, however you want to put it, because it's basically a monochromatic look. I tend to use this realm of color a lot, and so my friend was like, since you love reds and stuff so much, and she sent it to me, and I'm like, oh, I actually kind of like it, so I'm going to do it. So that face chart's going to get on today. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I know some people don't like him right now, but listen, I spent all that money on that palette. I'm going to use that palette. Actually, I might not have to. I might be able to use my Morphe 15T. Okay, I take that back. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Soul palette and the Morphe 15T palette and the Bretman Rock blush, but I'm going to be using that as an eyeshadow. So, enough talking. Let's get started. So the first color I'm going to dip into right now is from the Soul palette, and it is this shade. I use the shade enough I should know it. Motel. So this shade right here. I'm going to take that, a little bit of it, and put it like all up through in here very lightly. So there's like a little back color before I get into the blush and everything else. Yeah, that's right. That looks right to me. And that was about right. Now for this part, I'm going to take this Bretman Rock blush from his Lit collection. This is in the shade Oh She's Blushing. And I'm going to pop that into the outer corner area to about right here. Why am I using it? Because it's a very nice coral shade and it fits really well. Like, I'll swatch it if you don't know. Like, it fits really well into this face chart. Like, that fits perfectly in my opinion. And I'm going to just, you know, use it as an eyeshadow today. Don't judge me. I'm actually kind of, sort of scared because it's so soft. I don't want it to, like, fall on the floor. It feels like jelly. I don't know if anybody's ever tried the Colourpop blushes, but it's like the Super Shock Shadow, but so much softer. It doesn't want to go on the brush. Then to darken the outer corners, because they are dark, I'm going to take the shade in here, Relationship Goals, but like I don't want to blind y'all, but I want to show y'all the shade. But okay, like the mirror needs to stay down. This shade right here, this one, I'm going to take that and pop it into the outer V shapes of my eye, if that makes sense. Going back into the Soul palette, into the Motel shade, just to get it a little bit shiny, because it is shiny. And I'm going to put it on top of the Bretman Rock blush. So, if you're new to my channel, I do the face off camera. So if I look like a little darker, like, you know, you can see the contour now. It's because I do all that foundation and stuff off camera. I'm sorry I keep flipping my hair, like the little strands, like, because there are extensions in here. So the little extension strands just find their way to the front of my face and it's annoying. So, the lower lash line, I'm going to use this palette. And if you hate him, I am so sorry that I have to subject your ass to this. But I need it. I'm going to take the shade, oh, I'm going to blind y'all too. I'm going to take the shade, try not to blind anybody. Take the shade. I want to say, what is that? Fresh Meat. Fresh Meat, yeah, this one right here. And put that on my lower lash line, combining Fresh Meat with the shade next to it. I'm going to blind y'all. Which is Blood Sugar. So I'm going to take these two right here and hook up my lower lash, and I'm going to bring Prick in the very front, but those three shades. So Fresh Meat first, then no, Blood Sugar first, then Fresh Meat, and then Prick at the very front, if that makes sense. I hope that made sense. And I'm not done with the lower lash line, actually. I need a good black. So I'm going to be taking the Prism palette in the shade Obsidian. And I'm going to put that directly under my lashes on my lower lash line, because that's what it looks like in this picture. And I know I could have used the liner and brought it down, but I feel like if I did that, I would mess it up. So I'm going to put it on the brush. So the next step is actually two things. There's like a little shimmer up in here. So I'm going to take this loose loose glitter that I bought here in Korea from the brand Castle 2. This is their shade Sparkle White. Yeah. And apparently this expires in 2020. Wow, alright. And then I'm going to do my inner corner highlight using the Hello Gregory Unicorn Frosting Highlighter, because it's white, but like it looked pink and white at the same time, so why not just use a pink highlighter, you know? That makes sense. Now, I don't usually do my hair on camera, but I felt like I should have because I was gone for a long time because I straightened it. And then because I had to blend the extensions to the hair, to my hair, blend the extensions and my hair together. So I was gone for a while, so I figured why not just turn the camera on. So you see why I'm gone for a while, even though you probably couldn't tell. So I'm back as Pirate Nikki. Last week it was Ninja Nikki. This week, Pirate Nikki. I like it. Lipstick is going to be first. The Snow White lipstick from Colourpop. And then there's an obvious sheen to the lips, so I'm going to take the gloss that she came with in the shade Mirror Mirror and just put that on top because, you know, why not? And this is the finished look. I did a little swash of Trophy Wife to my Cupid's bow. This gloss is kind of everything. I do have to say that since, if you haven't watched the last video where I got the Neon Dreams collection and whatever and unboxed it, since I got it, I have been using this Comet Water with this together. So it's like a setting spray thing. But the reason I do that, like it gives my face, like when I went to the dentist on Monday and the dentist this morning, I didn't put on any highlighter. I just used this. And my skin looked glowy, but like a natural glow. Like I wasn't fearing for my life. I looked like I was okay and happy and cool and calm and collected, when that was not the case. I was, this morning and Monday morning and last Friday, I was terrified because nobody wants a root canal. But yeah, can definitely feel the extension here and here. Like that one's sliding. I'm gonna need you to not though. Extension life. I like this look. Now mine isn't as orange red as it is in the picture, even though I did use orange reds, but that's because no matter what I do, I think it has everything to do with my complexion. No matter what I do, when I use an orange red, it just looks red on me. And I'm at peace with that, but like I still like how this came out. I really like the lower lash line. I did take my liquid liner and make that little point, like bring it out more, so that my eyes look even more pointed, and I look like some sort of cat animal thing going on here. I like this though. So that's it for this week's face chart. If you are interested in the Hello Gregory highlighter or the Drench Cosmetics, let me know. I will leave all of that information for those products in the description box. If you do order from Hello Gregory, I do have a code. I don't get anything, but you get to save some money. So, you know, just trying to help you out because, you know, I love the highlighter. I love his lashes. And I love his Frozen Nebula palette. I feel like I should share because it's quality stuff for a good price. That's it. That's all. Goodbye.